What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Kelly B coming back at you with another video. I got another firetail video for you today. Just being at the Glizzy inspired me to do a little bit more to the bike. And everybody knows that I was talking about putting a tour pack on the bike. I've been talking about it, but I decided not to go with a tour pack because I know my wife is not going to ride with me that much at all. But we do have a backrest on the bike already, so she'll be comfortable with that. But I'm putting something back there that's gonna help her just gain more confidence in just being back there on the bike. And it's gonna be by Traxxion Dynamics, y'all. And we're gonna get into the video, and I'm gonna show you what it is right after this. Let's go. All right, y'all, we are back, y'all. I told you I was gonna put something on here to help my wife. And you see that I'm sitting on the passenger seat right now. And one thing about the passenger, you see these short guardrails, these rails right here? These are supposed to be rails for her to hold on to. This is not, y'all, I don't even feel this right here. That's not gonna be comfortable at all. So what I'm gonna add on here is gonna come out a little bit further, so she can actually have something to grab on to, you know, when we hit the curves or twisties, so she won't have to hold on to me so much, because this is actually comfortable right here. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put some grab rails on here that's gonna stick out way further than what we have here right now. I was using this to strap down bags. You can also use it for that, because I put my bag right here sometime when I'm rolling too as well. But this right here for a passenger right here, I don't think this is comfortable for them to even grab. You can't even really get your hand around it right here at all. If you can see that, you can't even really do that. So we're gonna put something on here from Traxxion Dynamics, and this is where we come on over to here. I'm gonna have mine as shorties. Mine is not gonna come out way out here. Mine's probably gonna come out about right here somewhere. So that'll give her a little bit more leverage right there, so that she'll be comfortable right off in here somewhere. So and we only got these pieces right here. This is all come with it. And I'm gonna do some blue Loctite with it. And you got a left and a right side, so you would know what to do with that. We're gonna first take the seat off, and we're gonna pull these off right here. And I think we only have 2 or 3 screws in here, but we got to open this up, pull the screws out, take the seat off, and we'll go from there, and we'll pull those out, and then we'll start connecting the dots on this one right here. So well, I want to give a big shout out to Traxxion Dynamics, my dude Max. I met him for the first time down there at the Glizzy, and we had an amazing talk, and he sent me these over here, and I'm grateful that he sent these over. So we're going to get these installed on the bike, because we got a lot of riding to do this year, and we're going to do it on the hook. And we got more parts coming for the hook too as well, and as well as comb over here too as well. So we do got more parts. So let's get the seat off, and I'll get back with you when we get the seat off. You know, you got to open this up. I'll turn my key off, turn my key back on. Open that up right there, and we're gonna pull the side cover right here, and we're gonna get the Allen wrench, and we're gonna get this pulled out right here. So you just pull that right there. That's it. We're gonna sit there right there, and we got a screw. We're gonna get off right here, right up under here, and we're gonna pull it out, and we're gonna take the seat off. All right, let's get to it. This is a 6mm socket right here that I'm using, and make sure you don't drop the screw. Okay, we got that off. We're just gonna sit there right there. I already got the other side taken care of, and we're just gonna pull it up just like this. We're gonna set the seat over here, and you see we got 2 screws right here. We got one here, one here, one here, and one here. So we're gonna get those taken off, and we're gonna start connecting those right there. Okay, let's go. It's off right here. So we're gonna remove this right there. Put that screw aside. That down. Just like that, y'all. We're gonna do the other side the same way. All right, y'all, we got all the parts out right here. And you do have a left and a right side on just this right here. So this is just gonna go just like this right here. You see that? It's got a little hole right here where this screw actually goes into it right there. I might end up getting these powder coated black, or gloss black later. And it goes just like that, y'all. But what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go ahead and connect everything up, because we gotta put screws in the back of this. And we're gonna do this side first, and make sure you use blue Loctite. And it's very simple to install. You see, you already got the hose right here. And this just gonna go just like this right here. Just like that. You got the screws gonna go here, and you got all the screws. The screws are all the same size, so anybody can put this together. And your other piece, you got the little, if you want to move it, put it up here, or you can put it back here. It's all up to you what you want to do. So we're gonna put, and the other two screws gonna go right up in there. So we're gonna blue Loctite these. We're gonna put it together, and I'm gonna show you what it look like. And it should be something kind of like this right here. That's how it's gonna look right there. And it's just gonna go here. It's gonna stand out a little bit further than what you had on here, and give your passenger a little bit more leverage. Okay, so let's get it installed. So, well, y'all, we're gonna use blue Loctite. It didn't say use blue Loctite, you know, but I want to just be safe. You know what I'm saying? I don't want it to come off on me on the highway. And we're just gonna use a 5mm Allen wrench right here, and we're just gonna tighten them up, y'all. Yep, just like that. Just put it in there, you should be good. And we're gonna put the other piece here. And like I say, you want it, depends on how full you want it, because like I said, you got two slots right here. You can put that in. It goes with the slot right here. And you can put it up forward. I'm gonna put it kind of right here in the middle. So that's kind of the middle right there. And like I say, I'm gonna use blue Loctite because I'd rather be safe than sorry, y'all. If you haven't met Max, man, give him a call. Tell them you want these right here. You can, like I said, you can get them a little bit longer to go outside the saddlebag, but I didn't want them out that far at all. So I'm cool with, you know, with the short distance. I think it just gives your passenger a little bit more leverage on here. So yeah, and it's gonna look good. But like I say, I think I'm gonna end up getting these powder coated gloss black as well. So, and this just gonna go here. Let's see. You gotta make sure you get that screw in that slot right there. And that's it. And you make sure you line this up back here so your cotter pin that you have goes right in there. So yeah. So that's what we got going on. Just take this, use your same existing screws on here. Just use the same screws and you should be fine. Yep, you should be just fine. Hey, I gotta ask this, y'all. How many of y'all come to the Glizzy next year? Man, book my ticket, Doc. Man, Hook, we gonna be on the way, baby. We already in there. Oh, I really like the way this look too, y'all. Just give your passenger a little bit more leverage back here that she can grab onto. Yeah. And we're just gonna snug that down. And we're gonna get the other side done. I don't know what the torque fits on here. I do have a torque wrench, but we're just gonna snug it. And don't strip it, don't strip it. We just snugged it. But you see how that look? And we're not gonna use this anymore. We're gonna put this down here somewhere. Just get it out the way in case you decide to go back to the old ones. So yeah. So let's get the other side done. I'm gonna put the seat back on. I'm gonna show you what it look like. All right, let's go. All right, y'all, we got them on, y'all. You can see them right here. See how they look. Let me get up so you can see how they look on the bike. I think they look really good, man. And give my wife a little bit more room and stuff like that. You know, cause when you trying to grab them down here, I think grabbing them right here would be, yeah, that's a whole lot better by grabbing them right here. And you got the front or the rear, and I think she'll feel comfortable. Then if you want to hang you a little bag on here, if you want to, you can do that too as well. But I was doing it to make sure my wife is secure on the bike and she feel a little bit more comfortable, even though we don't have a tour pack. But you can still use these with a tour pack as well. So don't get me wrong. You can still use these with a tour pack if you want to. So make sure you go check out Traxxion.com, and I'll put the link down there. And yeah, I'm happy with it. And I like the way it looks. It looks really good. Really sporty, ain't too much. Looks really good. So yeah, make sure that you go check it out, man. Let me get my other backrest, put it in. Yeah. Nice. Nice, y'all. Looks really good, y'all. Check out the bike. Check it out. So yeah, y'all stay tuned for more products to be here really soon. Hopefully this week. I'm changing up a few things that's going carbon fiber as well. So we're gonna, we put a little carbon fiber on the bike. I think it looked good. I think it goes well with the bike, really good. You know, green and gray go together anyway. So y'all, we're gonna end this video right here. I appreciate everyone. Make sure you click the like, share, and subscribe button for me. And I will be greatly appreciated, man. I would greatly appreciate it. So y'all, until the next time, the next grind, y'all stay safe. Y'all have a blessed one. Ride safe, baby. We out. Peace.
Kelly B's rolling. Kelly B's rolling. Rides with fire, he rides with pride. Wind in his hair on that Kelly B glide. No looking back, just miles to burn. Every twist and turn's another lesson learned.